a guide to preventing copyright issues on YouTube. Welcome back to my YouTube creator series. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic that every YouTuber should be aware of: copyright issues. As content creators, it is very crucial to understand copyright laws and take necessary precautions to prevent copyright claims on our YouTube channels and videos. By following the guidelines and tips provided in this video, you can minimize the risk of copyright issues and ensure a smoother journey on YouTube. Watch every minute of this video. The last part, that is at the end of this video, listen to my practical and very important advice on creating a new YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's proceed. Firstly, copyright is a legal concept that grants exclusive rights to creators over their original works. These works can include music, videos, images, and written content. As a YouTuber, it's essential to respect the rights of others and obtain proper permission or licenses before using copyrighted material. Now, fair use. Fair use is an exception to copyright laws that allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission, primarily for commentary, criticism, teaching, news, reporting, or research. However, determining fair use can be subjective, so it's important to exercise cautions when utilizing copyrighted material under this exception. Secondly, original content creation. To avoid copyright issues altogether, focus on creating original content. By developing your unique ideas, you can establish your channel's identity and minimize the risk of copyright claims. Engage your audience with your creativity, expertise, and personal touch. Thirdly, royalty-free music and Creative Commons. When it comes to background music for your videos, opt for royalty-free music or tracks with Creative Commons licenses. Numerous websites offer free or affordable music that you can use without infringing copyright laws. Just make sure to credit the artist appropriately if required. Now, this is important: licensing and permissions. If you want to use copyrighted material that falls outside fair use or public domain, seek permission from the copyright holder. Many creators and artists are open to collaborating or granting licenses, provided you ask for consent in a respectful and professional manner. Keep a record of their permissions to avoid disputes. YouTube's copyright tools. YouTube provides various tools to help creators address copyright issues, such as Content ID. Content ID automatically detects and flags copyrighted materials in your videos. If you receive a claim, you can either remove the copyrighted content or dispute the claim if you believe it falls under fair use or is misidentified. Next, educate yourself. Stay updated on copyrighted laws and YouTube's policies regarding copyright infringement. Regularly check YouTube's Creators Academy, Copyright Help Center, and other trusted sources for the latest information. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions about your content. New update. In March 2023, YouTube made some changes to its policies on profanity in videos. Now, if profanity is used within the first 8 to 15 seconds of a video, it may be allowed to earn ad revenue. Additionally, strong profanity used in background music, intro, outro music, or backing tracks may also be eligible for ad revenue. Now, you may ask, what is profanity? Profanity refers to language or words that are considered vulgar, offensive, or socially inappropriate. It typically includes curse words, swear words, or offensive language that may be considered disrespectful or offensive to others. YouTube has also introduced new tools for copyright holders to help them manage their content on the platform. These tools include: first, blocking specific videos or channels; second, content alert notification; third, removal requests. Blocking specific videos or channels. Copyright holders now have the ability to prevent certain videos or channels from using their content without permission. Content alert notifications. Copyright holders can set up alerts to receive notification when their content is being used on YouTube without their permissions. And removal request. Copyright holders can request that YouTube remove any infringement content from the platform. It's crucial for creators to be aware of these rules and tools in order to avoid having their videos flagged or removed from YouTube. My advice. So, I have explained the very important points on copyright. With YouTube becoming stricter day by day, ask yourself, is it worth creating a YouTube channel by using someone else's content that will be a risk of being taken down due to copyright issues anytime in future? You will work for 6 months, 1 year, or even more than 1 year to get your channel monetized. Imagine the amount of hard work that you have put in during this period of time. Did you know this? How many YouTube channels are there? There are more than 114 million active YouTube channels. How many YouTube videos are made per day? Content creators upload around 3.7 million videos in a single day. See the amount of channel. So, when YouTube is having so much of active channels, demonetizing any channel is not going to have any effect on them. Therefore, create original channel. Be creative. Give time to create content. Slow and steady wins the race. Never mind your videos are getting few views, but they will get more views as you gain in experience. Your mind will work better with every video. You will have better ideas and content creation will improve. Ask yourself a very simple question. Is my video going to give the viewers any knowledge, creativity, value so that he will subscribe to my channel instantly? The niche that I'm working on is going to help the audience to watch your videos and subscribe to your channel. Sit in one corner and think deeply, and then go ahead, select a niche and create a good channel and be persistent with originality. You take care. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. See ya. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Learn with Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial.